What we doing?
Going to the beach.
What?
We literally have 2 strollers packed in here, but
That's
this
our.
one here is convenient. This one here is just a little inconvenient because it's kind of big to both of them.
Yeah.
What is this? Come on, you ready to go, Bella? Last trip, a family of 3 guys. You only been outside for like 0.25 seconds and you have sweat.
Oh yeah.
Just dripping.
I'm a sweater. I sweat fast.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's our last trip. We're going to the beach for a few days and just enjoy. It's us 3.
We're gonna slow down a little bit.
Excuse me.
Since we've been back home, it's been nothing but work, of course. Back to reality.
That's true.
Which is nothing wrong with that. But yeah, I wanted to just kind of take a little break and go to the beach. It's been a while since we've been to the beach out here. So we're gonna go out there and spend a few days at the beach and kind of just, what do they call it? I guess relax for a few days.
Yeah.
You know? And she loves the beach. She loves the water.
And I'm calling you my baby mom.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's his birthday.
Oh yeah, it is my birthday.
It is today? No, it's tomorrow.
You don't even know my birthday is.
I do. I thought it was today for a second. But yeah, so it's gonna be a fun time.
Yeah, for sure. So we're just gonna take you guys along with us, show you a little bit of Galveston Beach. And I'm actually excited to see like some of the new things that they have going on, that they have out there. Because like I said, it's been a while since we've been out there. And I may even take a little swing to see if my baby is over there. My other baby, I'm sorry.
The fishing pole.
No, not the fishing pole.
No?
My carnival ships. You know that's our baby over there.
Oh!
And I believe Royal Caribbean had built a new terminal over there. So I'm kind of excited to see that too, to see how new it's looking and what they're doing over there. I know once I pass by one of them beauties, I'm gonna be so jealous. But next year, I'm coming. We coming.
Coming.
Yeah.
Oh, for sure, we coming.
Yeah. So come along for the ride, guys.
You ready?
Yeah,
Yeah. Where are we going?
a beach.
Yeah, we're going to the beach. Mommy was not here for this road trip. She was cutting out the road trip.
We got something to eat and some bears to watch. Little bears, by the way.
At the very last stretch.
About 30, 40 minutes left.
Yeah.
Then the beast was tamed. Yeah. She was a beast back there.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go ahead and unload, and then I guess we'll probably give you guys a little tour of where we stand at for the next couple of days. Alright guys, come here. Oh yeah. We have just made it into our hotel room where we'll be staying at for the next few days. So yes, here's the tour. Not much to see. So it's an okay place for us to be for the next 3 nights. And oh yeah, it's a nice patio. And I really like that we have the view. But if I'm not mistaken, I believe at this particular hotel, all the rooms have a balcony. So yeah, we got a few guys out there fishing. I don't know if you can see them way back up off there on a little jetty. Yeah, I actually brought my rod today too.
Mommy.
So maybe I may go to one of them little piers and fish too. But yeah, so it's a nice hotel room. Come with a nice little fridge. You have a mini fridge. We have a microwave just in case we want to heat up some food or whatever. But yeah, so we're gonna get ready to go and enjoy the beach and probably enjoy a little bit of the pool. And we'll get back with you later.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big one. Was it hard to catch?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Big old rods.
I know.
Skip it, well, that thing will break me. All right, take it easy now. Thank you.
What kind of fish was it?
Well, he was like, he wasn't too sure, but I think it's a drum or a red. One of the other. I don't know what the fish is, but we're gonna go ahead and eat it. That's all he was like, I don't care what it is. All I know is that we caught it and we about to eat good.
Right? That big old fish.
He said you about to go get us some beers, fire the grill up, cook that booger.
Right?
But they caught it right here, so I'm like, cool. I got my little fishing rod. If I decide to come up out here, hopefully I can catch me a few fish myself, but my rods cannot handle a big fish like that. So I'm going for like baby fish. You know what I'm saying?
All your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about.
Anyway, guys, we have made it to the beach. We made it to the beach. Hopefully you guys can look at her like that. Hopefully you guys can hear me pretty well because of course we're on the beach, so it's kind of noisy. So I'm gonna try to scream this up the best I can to you guys. But anyway, so yeah, we on the beach. And sometimes I feel like Galveston Beach kind of get a bad reputation. Wouldn't you say so?
I think so.
But you know, it's not the clearest water, but it's not bad either. You know what I'm saying? It's really not bad. Like, it's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm glad we came out here, you know? At first we was thinking about going to Miami and sitting at the beach out there. But with everything going on and the hurricane heading back out that way in Florida, that wouldn't be a good decision to do. So we just decided to come on out here. But yeah, I really don't know what we have. We have plans. We're probably gonna go get something to eat somewhere. I don't know. They have a few restaurants actually right by where we're staying at, which is a good thing, so we can just walk right up over there and get something to eat. But other than that, these people here are enjoying themselves, and I'm gonna get back into the water. See ya.
Uh-oh, be careful. Well, today was such a relaxing day. We learned how to legitimately not do too much while traveling. Or at least, you know, just anywhere we decide to go. Like we always said, even your own backyard. But we went to, after the beach, we went to the pool. Played in there, sat in the hot tub jacuzzi spot as well, and now we just heading out to go get some food, and we'll see you tomorrow. We're wrapping up the rest of the day. It's a super chill day. Okay, we just made it back from getting our food, and we found out today apparently is the blue moon, so they call it super moon, and it's happened today. Is like the last one you'll see for the month of August, because today is August to the 30th, and we found out this is our view for the super moon. Oh my God, you can see how bright it is based on how bright that water right there by the water is so bright. Everything else is so dark, then it's so bright. I know when you look at the moon, it don't seem like nothing.
I know this camera don't do no justice, but it's like super bright.
But they can tell by the sun. Look at the camera.
Oh, yeah,
You see how
can
dark
see
it is?
Yeah.
And then how bright it is?
Mm-hmm.
Amazing. But it's supposed to turn blue. So we'll see. Because they said in a few minutes.
9:32?
36. Yeah, 9:36. We should be like 20 minutes from now.
Yeah.
It should be turning blue. The Saturn moves in position. So we can be able to tell. So we're here waiting for the colors to change. And we can be in the room. Great location. We really thought we were not going to be able to see the moon from inside the balcony. It worked out perfect. All right. Okay. Now
all right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and go ahead and eat. We got us some little pizza from across the way, and we're actually gonna hurry up and eat this so we can go sit outside and watch the moon turn blue. Hopefully, we actually get to see that happens, because then that'll be pretty cool.
then we can eat outside.
Yeah, we could sit outside and eat, so we may even do that. So let's get ready to do that.